All right, so this continues the subject of arrays and strings. So this project will demonstrate a crude Flash program for some Morse code. Okay, so I will read through step by step the code which I completely created all by myself. So the number 2 is dit dit da da da, and B is da dit dit dit, I is dit dit, and T is a da. So the delay periods in this array should correspond. So the shorter value should be 2 of those, followed by 3 longer values, followed by a long value and 3 short ones, followed by 2 short ones, followed by a long one for T. In the void setup, pin mode assigns LED, which is actually pin 13, as an output. In the void loop, there's a for loop which takes 3 arguments. I is set to 0, which is a counter. When I is less than 9, it stays in the loop, and then each time the loop goes through, it adds 1 to the count. A function is being used here, and the function is called Blinky. And so then a function is created down here called void Blinky. And I guess this is a parameter. And inside int wait time is created, which is a local variable. And then the LED is blinked high, then the wait time, then low, and then the wait time. So what is the wait time? The wait time is determined by the delay periods, which is an array which will rely on the values placed in the content of the array. And when this for loop cycles through, it takes the values in the array. I guess in this for loop, this value should match the number of items as the content in the array, so it shouldn't be 9. I suppose in my case it should be 12, as there's 12 delay periods here. One problem with this sketch is that there are no delay periods between each letter. And just a quick overview, and looking at this quickly, I don't see that there's an easy way to modify this to add delay periods between each letter. Anyhow, I will switch it over to my camera phone to show this on the breadboard.
So I'll reset it. Dit dit da 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 dit 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 da 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 dit 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 da. So it does actually work.